Utensils and their modes of usage. There are many kinds of utensils in our homes made of different materials like steel, ceramic, plastic, glass, wood, paper, etc. But only selected utensils can be used in selected modes. First and the most common used mode is micro mode, in which heating is done by microwaves. And as you see in the video, left side utensils are marked not to be used in micro mode, and right side utensils are recommended for use in micro mode only. In micro mode, any utensils made of metal or having metal lining or with metallic paint should not be used. But utensils made of microwave glass and microwave safe plastic should be used. Ceramic mugs which has gold or silver lining should not be used, whereas normal ceramic utensils can be used. Second mode is grill mode, in which heating is done by heater which is placed at the top of the cavity. In grill mode, utensils made of plastic and paper should not be used, and utensils made of metal, ceramic or glass can be used. Third mode is convection mode, in which heating is done by heater fitted at the top and back of the cavity with fan. Due to use of heaters as source of heat, we should not use utensils made of plastic and papers, whereas utensils made of metal, ceramic and glass can be used.